How to find transit number on Laurentian Bank. Welcome to Techmates and let's get right into this video. For this, you can search for laurentianbank.ca or even open up your mobile banking app of Laurentian Bank. Now, if you search for laurentianbank.ca, you'll be directly redirected to its official homepage. You can log in by tapping on the login button at the top of your dashboard. To log in, enter account, select on LBC Direct. Now to check for your transit number, there are multiple of ways. First is to log in into your online account. Just enter your access code and your password. Once you are in here, you'll be able to access to your account detail and you'll be able to find your transit number as well. If not, check for your checks, bank statement or deposit slip. At the bottom, you should find some of the numbers. At the bottom, those are your transit number as well. If you cannot find any of this, you can search for or contact your Laurentian Bank help and support. By this way, you can check out your transit number on Laurentian Bank. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.